small business owner budgets $2,200 to purchase candles. The owner must purchase a minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted pricing. If the owner pays $4.90 per candle to purchase small candles and $11.60 per candle to purchase large candles, what is the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase to stay within the budget and maintain the discounted pricing? First, I'm going to highlight our question so that way we know what to look for. What is the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase to stay within the budget and maintain the discounted pricing? So we're looking for the maximum number of large candles. So we know that the maximum budget is $2,200. The maximum number of candles is 200. Each small candle costs $4.90. Each large candle costs $11.60. So this problem represents a system of equations in which S plus L, that's the small candles plus large candles, all of that has to equal 200 because that's the maximum number that they can purchase. Whereas the cost is going to be 4.9 S plus 11.60 L equals 2,200. Now, of course, we could solve this by hand using algebra, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Desmos and I'm going to plot this system of equations on the coordinate plane. I'm going to use S for X and L for Y. So let's go to Desmos. So X plus Y equals 200. Then I'm going to plot 4.9x plus 11.60y equals 2,200. Then we're going to zoom out and see where those two lines intersect. So they intersect right here. So the X, that's the small candles, that's basically 18. And the large candles, that's 182. So going back to our question, the maximum that they can purchase is 182 large candles.